Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the theme of the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find this theme section and click on it. As you can see at the top, there is the dark mode option, which is available to you. So if you tap on the dark option down below, you can save it by tapping on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you scroll down, you can also choose your theme. Here is the default option, and you can also add these font keyboards to your application if you download it from your app store. If you click on it, you have the chance to get it by tapping on the get button. But if you go back to your application, you will be able to see that you can also choose your pet here. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. And down below it says that if you go premium, you can have access to unlimited pets and themes as well. So these are only available to premium users of the application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.